Hi guys, so we're spending tonight, just one night at the Tema Pad. Um, so lovely camp, show you all about it now. And windy, but it is winter in Africa as well, just really sunny and dry. Hi guys, uh, so we're at our next campsite. This is the Tema Dam. It's so different from the previous places. Everything seems to just be different. So the Tema, beautifully clean. Apparently lions is a big deal here. The ranger came and saw us already, and with his gun. And he lives, I don't know if you can see that little building there, that's where he lives. That's a toilet block. That corrugated sink is shower, but it's cold, so I think I'll just wash my feet tonight. He says it does get cold. He put a big pile of wood down for us and he said, tell him if we want some more. We're already making coffee. It's too early for gin and tonic, so we're very prim and proper here. And a nice dam in front of us. What do you call it? A pond? No? A pan. And yeah, there's two hippopotami across the water. I've seen a crocodile or two. There's impala on the other side. And they must be worried about it because there is, for once, a proper fence in front of us to stop those wild things from getting to us. Yay! I promise I won't show this too often because it happens often and it is the cutest things ever. It's just they get to water, even though there's plenty, they always seem to be in a hurry. They always seem to rush up to it on a trot, as if something is either going to catch them or the water is going to run out. Now this looks like we staged it. So it's getting darker now. I can't see any of my birds around still. And we've got our giraffes drinking in that corner. I love it. They're always so scared that somebody's going to catch them. They're so nervous about us. But there's quite a lot. They're amazing how those things can disappear between the trees. So I haven't counted them yet, but there's quite a few of them. And then just going to skip through our little hideout. And there's the elephants on that side drinking. And that little plop in the river, if you can see it, is a hippopotamus that hopefully tonight will make a horrendous noise and I can catch it for you. And then we've got another one sitting there. Hi, Renier. He's talking to his friend. What's your friend's name? It's Gemini.
It tells me all about the windbreak under the bakkie and bags for the chairs.
It's really windy tonight, so the ute has been parked like that so that we can hide behind the ute. But Renier is very sure there's another plan to be made, and Gemini is helping him with that. And we've made a little fire and we're cooking in our little cast iron pots, and no gas, that's not cauldrons. So we are getting locked up for the night. Our warden said they closed the camp because they didn't close themselves up a few nights ago, and 3 o'clock in the morning there was 14, because the Pride of Lions in this area is 14 of them, and they were between 3 and 4, they were around their little hideout there in the background, so we get locked up at night time. And it looks serious enough because they took great care in really closing the gates. It wasn't just a token. They really made sure that all the poles were upright, everything is nice and tight. There we go. Hi guys, tonight we are at the Tema Dam, and gosh, every of these campsites are different than the previous one. Just when you think, oh, it's just going to be the same, it's just not. So it's a big open plains. They actually take lions serious here tonight. We've been locked up. The warden came and told us that as well. They will open it in the morning. And just across from us, it's a dam. And there's our giraffes, and there's the elephants, and there's some hippopotami, and there's what Renee call a polgaans. I've no idea what it was in English, I'll find out. And she's got a litter of chooks, and oh, little chicks, not chooks, chicks. And she's constantly talking to them. This afternoon she was guiding them straight past the crocodile. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And then, Mosi, I promised you not just animals. There's Renee cooking. Hi, say hello to Renee, to Mosi.
Hello, Mosi.